Hey there, welcome back to channel. Alright, there is a leaks and a specification for the Galaxy S24 Ultra coming from most trusted sources. The smartphone comes with 6.8-inch QHD Plus dynamic AMOLED display with LTPO 120Hz display and the peak brightness 2050 nits. By the way, Samsung will be keeping the same ultra-wide lens as well as the selfie camera and also long-range zoom. The only two camera sensor we are getting new is the main 200 megapixel sensor that will be more improved and more optimized, and of course we get a new 50 megapixel 3x zoom lens. It is going to be a most premium Samsung Galaxy flagship ever made and the first time using titanium frame Samsung S24 lineup, and of course it's come with Android 14 with One UI 6.0 with the same 5000 mAh battery and the same 45 watt fast charge. There will be more battery improvement thanks to Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and Samsung also using Exynos 2400 chipset for some country. So this is all about our video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care and Allah Hafiz.